So let's revise some of enzymes of TCA. In TCA, there are 4 dehydrogenase enzymes. Okay, one is succinate dehydrogenase, which is making FADH2. Other is malate dehydrogenase, which is making NADH. And another two are oxidative decarboxylation steps, isocitrate dehydrogenase, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. They both are making NADH and they both are oxidative decarboxylation steps, right? So there are total 4 dehydrogenases in TCA and there is only one kinase in TCA. Okay. On the other hand, in glycolysis we did that in glycolysis there are 4 kinases but only one dehydrogenase. Okay.